Hello everyone, welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is PM Internship Scheme 2024. The Prime Minister's internship scheme was announced in the 2024-25 budget. It aims to provide internship opportunities to 1 crore youth over 5 years. A pilot project for financial year 2024-25 has been launched with a target of 1.25 lakh internships. The scheme is implemented through an online portal, currently hosting 1.27 lakh internship positions. Before moving further, we wanted to inform you that the ISGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains offline batch at Drishti Noida starts on 9th January for English medium and 16th January for Hindi medium. For more details, call us on 87501 87501. Enroll now. Now let's discuss about key features of PMIS. Provides internships with the top 500 companies in India based on their CSR expenditure. Additional participation allowed for companies from underrepresented sectors with MCA approval. Targeted to bridge the gap between education and industry by offering hands-on training. Expected to enhance employability and skill development for Indian youth. Now moving on to progress and implementation. As of now, 6.21 lakh applications have been received for the pilot project. Companies are currently reviewing applications for the selection process. MCA oversees the initiative through the PMIS online portal for transparency and efficiency. Participating companies include banks, financial institutions, and other CSR-focused entities. Now it's time for the practice question. Which ministry is responsible for PMIS implementation? Ministry of Education, Ministry of Skill Development, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, or Ministry of Labour? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.